What's up everybody, my name is Ibra and welcome to my channel. As I'm a corporate employee, I don't have big time to start working on the car and eventually to fix everything at once, so I already disassembled the radiators. Hopefully I will be able to save this AC radiator. It's not that bent, it's not really, big damage. It's going to be tested, but I have problem with the engine coolant radiator. Let me show you. I got the car, there was actually coolant here and it was almost full, and I didn't think that I will have any problem, but it turned out that this radiator is leaking very little, but it's not really safe to drive with this. Other than that, it's not really bent, it's not that problematic. If there wasn't this leak, it could be totally used, but it is what it is. To be able to remove the coolant radiator, I had to remove the AC radiator, so I had to disassemble everything I could. Let me show you the other option if you don't want to remove the AC radiator. This thing is carrying the radiator and the fan as well. There are two bolts here and two bolts here. Once you remove this, you can take this piece of metal down and you will be able to reach the coolant radiator to remove it. But what I have done is removing one bolt from here, removing one bolt from here. I think there were also one somewhere here, not really sure. And there is one, I think it's some type of clips or to hang it somehow. It wasn't super hard. I was able to reach from here with my tools and to unscrew it. After that, removing the pipe to drain the coolant. Since I have drained all the coolant fluid from the system, I have also decided to change the thermostat as well. Replacing the thermostat is going to be the easiest thing I will be doing today. There are only two bolts. After you drain the all fluid, it will be just easily coming off, and to put the other one. Before I start working, let me show you the differences with the old one and the new one. So this is the old one I have removed in advance, and I wanted to compare with the new one if there's any mistake, since this is an American car in European market and there might be some confusion. I removed in advance. This is the old one. I don't know if it's in good condition or not, but since I drained the all coolant already and this is off the liquid, so it's good to replace anyway since I'm doing the maintenance. There are no differences. It looks all the same. I got one brand that is Motorrad. I have no idea, I got no sponsors unfortunately, so I will be just replacing with this one. So what I have noticed while I'm changing the thermostat is that actually there is a spring here. I'm not sure if you will be able to see it, and also there are two clamps on this pipe. I guess there is really high pressure on this, so that's why they put two clamps on this pipe. This is really simple. There are two bolts, 13mm, and you are just putting by hand and after that tightening it. I can honestly say that this is going to be the easiest thing I am doing on this car. This is really simple. It's right in front of me. It's not like my other German cars that is somewhere hidden under something and hard to reach. This is really very easy to do it. I don't use a lot of machine pressure, just to make sure that I'm not going to over tightening it. Hand tight will be totally enough. Since I'm not a professional car repair mechanic or whatever, I have ended up replacing the brand new radiator with another brand new one, because it turned out this pipe size was different on the previous brand new one and I got this one. There is also a slight difference with this one too. with these clips, I will have to think about some different type of bolt, or somehow to fit this radiator fan, and hopefully this is going to be the only difference. And the other thing I have noticed is this thing is coming here like this, but I have only one from the previous radiator. The second one is, oh no, it's broken. So I will order another one, but I think it's gonna take a few days. It's not that big deal, it's easy to access and replace another time. The reason is the brand new one here is smaller. As you can see, it's just gonna fall. It's supposed to keep the radiator higher and eventually to cover from any possible damages, shaking and so on. So this is going to be replaced another time too. There is one little tip here that I would like to show. So this is the little pipe. I think this is for when you want to drain the coolant. You unscrew this one and the water comes off from here, and this little pipe has to go to the little hole you see. So while you are fitting the radiator, be careful to fit first this one, and after that the rest of the radiator. So as I said before, I'm going to put the small pipe first, and after that I will fit the rest of the radiator. Small pipe in. And the second thing that I want to fit is radiator fan, because it's falling all the time and I cannot really make some space. Okay. Like this.
A few moments later.
Sometimes working smart is better than working hard. As I'm a hard-working person, it didn't work for me. What I did is removing the thermostat hose here, so I can make some space for myself. And after that I access the clamp. This is the second clamp. It fits here. The second clamp is going to be easier. There is one screw here that is 7mm, and that's it. I'm just going to push this a little. Like this. So there's another pipe from the driver's side of the radiator. I hope this is not going to be more challenging than the previous one. It wasn't super easy, it wasn't super hard. I ended up removing the clamp to be able to rotate from this side. I put the pipe, and after that I put the clamp. Everything is okay. This is the bigger piece under the radiator. That is the original one, and this one is the come with the aftermarket radiator that didn't really fit well. And I found this one. It is for free and it fits perfect, just like this. Yeah, the reason I'm not buying brand new one is there is only Mopar original, which is 55 euro, and honestly just the work that is going to be done by this material and the other one is almost the same, and 55 euro is really high amount of money. I'm going to just save some money. This is fit. I put the plastic trim of the radiator from top and from bottom as well. I hope this is the right way to put it. And gonna put the radiator brackets like this. This is my AC radiator. Or the other way. I have no idea. Yes, I think it's going to be like this. I found these bolts to fit the radiators and the fan, because the previous ones that I prepared, they fit, but they were very weak according to me, and I will fit these ones. And also we have some trouble here. You can see that it's not properly fitting. I was able to put a bolt here and another one here, but I have a little problem here that is different because it's aftermarket coolant radiator, and here there is one little piece of plastic that I will have to cut it. So ideally the plan is putting like this and linking the AC radiator to this, and I can say that it worked. So I put one bolt here with a little adapter and I fit like this, and it is perfect. It's not moving at all, it's very stable. There is one bolt here that is holding, there is another one here that is holding, and here is the one, so this is okay. Now I'm trying to prepare the AC radiator. These are from the original radiator. They have the part that I can make them stronger, but these ones have no similar part. I'm not really familiar with this term. I'm going to use the original ones, and it's going to be much better. I have removed those two clips from here. I have removed previously with the nuts as well, so I will remove those ones too, and they will come here. Okay. I don't think that it's supposed to be this hard to fit those two pieces. And it's ready. I believe I have done everything necessary before putting the coolant. I did my checks, everything looks fine, everything looks all right, and this is the moment that I will be putting the coolant right now. I got this coolant. Let's put a smile on your face. I put all the coolant inside right now. Now I have to add some water, and I think I will have to start the car to drain it a little bit and to have some space for more water. Another thing that I want to put back is this plastic piece I have removed so I could access to the coolant pipes. Here one, here two, and here is the third one, and this part is ready too. I'm not really sure how it's called, but this plastic trim has to be placed. It's very easy. Once you secured your radiators, make sure that everything is fine with the radiator, and after that you just put it like this, and this one is almost ready. I think this is going to be fit with the bumper, so I'm just going to leave it like this. There is one little detail that you shouldn't be missing. I think this is the outside temperature I have removed before. It wasn't showing on the dash the outside temperature. Now it must be fine. Since this part is done too, the last plastic trim, I think this is some type of bumper thing. Once you find where these things hold, you are just going to hit it gently. Hit it gently and it's ready. I think one of the last things before I put a bumper is little clips here and there, here and there. And here I am. This is the second day I finished installing the radiator. Everything looks fine. I have did everything, but unfortunately the hot part of the day is coming, so I cannot go anymore. I have to check the AC system also to be recharged with the special fluid, and also I want to check before putting some registration on it, a couple of more things. So we will be catching up with the next video. I will be fitting the front bumper, that is SRT bumper, and after that I will put the registration, hopefully start driving. I cannot really wait. Thank you for watching the video, and please hit the button subscribe to support me, and there will be more videos of this Dodge Challenger.